Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Teams to OneDrive, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Microsoft Teams to OneDrive, begin by opening the Microsoft Teams application on your device. Log in with your Microsoft account credentials if prompted. Navigate to the channel where you want to share files. At the top of the channel, locate and click on the Files tab. In the Files section, you will see an option to add cloud storage. Click on this option to proceed. A list of available cloud storage services will appear. Select OneDrive from the list of available options. If this is your first time connecting OneDrive, you may be prompted to sign in. Enter your OneDrive account details and log in. Once connected, you can browse through your OneDrive folders. Select the files or folders you would like to share in Microsoft Teams. After selecting the desired files, click the Share button. You can choose to share files directly in the chat or through a channel. If sharing in a channel, select the specific channel you wish to share with. Add any necessary messages or notes to accompany the files. Finally, click Send or Share to complete the process. Your selected OneDrive files are now accessible within Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.